Raven and Charlie are trying to steal Lena's pizza.
Get the fuck off me. God. Okay. Oh my god, look at this.
She wants you to give it to her.
Go away. Move. Get up. Get your ass up. Okay.
Oh shit.
God, this fucking fat ass. Wait, how do I...
Muscles. Give him a piece too.
Okay.
Give me a piece too. No.
What? You gotta be kidding.
I'm just playing.
What the fuck are you doing?
Go on, Raven. You guys happy you got your damn pizza? Hmm?
Oh, you don't look at her.
April sucks.
Look at her. Look.
Well, you know how she is.
She acts so cute just for food.
Yeah, 'cause she's a girl. That's what girls do.
Act so cute just for food.
Yeah, kind of. Girls act like they love you. You know, the guys. For money. Sometimes.
Raven. There's no some guys who like that too.
Yes. Me included. Oh. Yeah. And the dogs. Oh, really? Just eat your food, Lee. They'll go away.
How's that?
Just eat it. What, you full?
Yeah.
Well, give it to me. I'll eat it.
You did. I ate the cheese off.
That's okay.
What the fuck? Straight my suicide, bitch. Oh my god, you idiot.
Oh god. No, she's getting on me.
Oh, Z told you.
Oh no.
Oh my god, man. What the fuck? Have your mouth. Ew, you idiot. Maybe I'm trying to get the chewed up piece. Chewing your pizza. Maybe I'm trying to get it from your mouth. Oh.
There you go.